A few years ago, I was in a dark place. I had lost my job, my relationship was falling apart, and I was struggling with my mental health. It felt like life was throwing one hardship after another at me, and I didn't know how to cope. But then, something changed. I stumbled upon a quote that said, "Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't." That quote became my mantra, and I decided to take control of my life again. I started small, setting achievable goals for myself each day, whether it was going for a walk, practicing mindfulness, or reaching out to a friend for support. I made a conscious effort to prioritize my well-being. Slowly but surely, things began to improve. I landed a new job that reignited my passion. I sought therapy to work through my mental health challenges, and I took steps to repair and strengthen my relationships. One of the most impactful moments in my journey was when a stranger showed me an act of kindness that I'll never forget. I was struggling to pay for groceries one day, and a person ahead of me in line offered to cover the cost. That simple act of generosity reminded me of the goodness in people and motivated me to pay it forward whenever I could. Today, I can proudly say that I've overcome many of the obstacles that once seemed insurmountable. I've learned that resilience isn't about never experiencing difficulties. It's about how you respond to them. I encourage anyone going through tough times to believe in their strength and reach out for support. You are capable of more than you realize, and every step you take toward healing and growth is a victory. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving forward. We're all in this together. End of story. This narrative combines elements of personal struggle, resilience, acts of kindness, and the power of positive thinking, reflecting the themes often found in inspirational stories on platforms like Reddit.